The tragedies in family court are part through a corrupt system, the business of family law, all these horrible things that we hear about. But a huge part of that is you not understanding the law, not because somebody told you and you should know. It's because you don't know and nobody's telling you and you walk in blind. So I want to educate men, and if there's women listening to this, educate you on what you need to understand, really tangibly. So it's 11:38 a.m. in Austin, Texas. I've taken my kids to school, and I've already had a call that has complicated criminal law going on, one with complicated real estate law. I've talked to a couple lawyers to consult about these people's cases, and I want to sum this up because an email also came in, and I want to keep this anonymous, but all of these suffer from the same problems. And it's not simple. I'm not diminishing any of it. You need to know how complicated your case is. But this gentleman writes in, keeping it anonymous, that he's gone through huge life challenges, adversities, and he's beaten them. And they're very personal. I don't want to share them. But this is the first time, in order to protect the things he loves, his kids, he has to take a step back and not fight in certain areas. This is extremely difficult. So in the criminal case, that's the same situation. What somebody's fighting at and what they have a low probability to win maintains a problem that will affect their relationship with their kids. And the same thing with the real estate thing. And it's not like I'm not diminishing this. This isn't because these guys don't know or are somehow deficient. It's that they didn't know certain aspects about family law and they let certain things get out of hand, and it demolished them to the point where they're going to have to make a compromise. And I hope they don't. We're fighting for them not, right? But they're more likely to have to make a compromise because of decisions of not understanding the law before. And this goes in depth. Basically, not understanding the process, not understanding how to talk to your attorney, not understanding how to find an attorney, not understanding how testimony works, not understanding affidavits, all these different things. And so I want you to understand them. And a bit of a side rant here, and this video is going a little bit long. People commented yesterday, somebody commented who comes on my live streams, my free stuff, and says, I want to make sure this isn't a scam. Dude, all my stuff is for free. What's the scam? So you have all of my stuff for free. Educate yourself. Educated. My time and me talking to you, yes, you have to pay for. That's kind of reasonable. But then me going out of my way, there's no reason really for me to make any free stuff. I could run a business and get clients without giving you free stuff. Educate yourself. I'm telling you, or else you'll screw yourself. And if you want proof of that, just look online.